Hello friends, Jai Shri Krishna. I am SM Kathuria from Vedic Predict. Today we are going to discuss about Rahu. What is Rahu? Rahu is a shadow planet. In fact, it is the ascending node of Moon. We also call it dragon's head. Why? Because there is a story behind it that at the time of Samudra Manthan, one Asur, Swarbhanu, penetrated into the Deva's line and had Amrit. Sun and moon recognized and told Vishnu, who then cut the head of this Asur Swarbhanu. The head portion is called Rahu and the body portion is called Ketu. Now, Rahu has all the senses, and sense of smell is the best Rahu has. Rahu is considered to be exalted in Gemini sign and debilitated in Sagittarius sign. Now, how do we know what are the characteristics? Rahu is falsehood because it is Mayavi. It creates phobia. It is unconventional, revolutionary. It is tamasic, acts like Saturn. All foreign related subjects, languages come under Rahu. Now, what professions it gives? Since it is dragon's head and it shows poison, so all chemical industries, pharmaceutical industries come under Rahu. Addiction come under Rahu. Electronics, all TV, mobile, computers, in fact, all virtual world. In fact, you can say that we are living in a Rahu age because in our life today, we are all the effects of virtual world. We are connected with it. Then there are other host of professions, like if Rahu is sitting in Mercury's sign in the 10th house, it makes a very good politician. Then tax collectors, those in leather trade, because it is tamasic in nature. Jailers, those working in burial grounds, Shamshan Ghat, magicians, snake charmers, they all come under this profession. Now, what type of diseases it gives? It gives cancer, leprosy, epilepsy, leukoderma, rheumatism, paralysis. Then mental diseases. If moon is afflicted, it will give hallucinations. These are the diseases associated with Rahu. When we see in a Kundali, it shows relationship as a paternal grandfather. Then the placement of Rahu is considered good in 3rd, 6th, 10th and 11th houses. But I feel 3rd is the best position because 3rd house is a house of courage and Rahu in the 3rd house can give lot of courage. 11th house also it is very good. Then if you see, it is enemy to sun and moon. It is neutral with Jupiter, friendly with Saturn, Mercury and Venus. With Mars, it has a special relationship because whenever it is associated with Mars, it forms a Angkarak Yoga, which is very explosive conjunction. And remained is Ketu, which is always the opposite side of Rahu, the descending node, and always 180 degrees away. When we talk about conjunctions, Sun coming into conjunction with Rahu, Rahu eclipses Sun. And when associated with Sun, because Sun is an enemy of Rahu, it shows self-confidence, but for a selfish purpose. When associated with Moon, it can give very problems of mental status like hallucinations or some mental diseases. And if at a place at a good degrees with moon, then also it can give a very good emotional character which displays in acting like it was with Raj Kapoor, who had Rahu and Moon in the Cancer sign. When it is associated with Saturn, although Saturn is a friend of Saturn, but its association is very bad, then the horoscope is considered cursed. When associated with Venus, and especially in 2nd or 8th house, it gives addictions. It's very bad. Because 2nd house is also connected with food. When associated with Mercury, with Mercury's association is the best for Rahu because Mercury is the Karak for speech, and Rahu utilizes the qualities of Mercury to extract its own motives. So these are the associations. But one more thing is which is very important. In whatever sign Rahu is placed and its depositor in whose sign Rahu is placed, its location in any other house, that planet is called the karmic distribution planet, because Rahu connects with the future, and the Jatak, whose horoscope we are considering, utilizes all the energies towards that house where the planet of its depositor is sitting. In fact, these two signs, one where Rahu is sitting, other where its depositor is sitting, these drive the soul in this life towards that motive. These two houses, these two signs. That is why it is called karmic distribution control planet. So these were the characteristics all for Rahu. Now coming to, if you have some problems with the Rahu, these can be solved by doing some remedies like feeding ants, feeding birds, donating items like black gram, elaichi, and mustard oil. These are all associated with Rahu. And if you Satnaja, then it's a serial of 7 cereals. So if you donate these, so it will help pacify Rahu. Plus, if you chant mantra of Rahu, Om Rahave Nama, 108 times daily, it will also be beneficial. So this is all about Rahu planet, which is very, very important in astrology, and it leads you to decipher your life's direction. If still you feel any other problems, you can always contact me at the below mentioned number or in vedicpradik.com. And I request you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.